Dear fellow researchers and friends, my name is Joseph George. Here I would like to discuss matter and energy, the two important constituents of the universe. My research suggests that, contrary to popular belief, matter and energy are two distinct entities that cannot be transformed into each other. However, they are closely intertwined. Matter requires energy to move, and without matter, energy would cease to exist. This principle applies even to photons. Mass-energy equivalence is a concept in physics, derived from Albert Einstein's theory of special relativity. It is most famously represented by the equation E equals mc squared, where E represents energy, m represents mass, and c is the speed of light in a vacuum, approximately 299,792 kilometers per second. The equation suggests that mass and energy are interchangeable and can be converted into each other. It proposes that a small amount of mass can be transformed into a large amount of energy, and vice versa. Today, this principle is widely used to calculate the energy output of reactions that create mass defects, such as nuclear reactions occurring in nuclear power plants, atomic bombs, and thermonuclear reactions in stars. The mass-energy equation is also used to determine the energy associated with events such as supernova explosions, colliding neutron stars, and merging black holes. However, according to my studies, the validity of the mass-energy equivalence principle is questionable. Today it is a known fact that a tiny amount of mass defect can release a large amount of energy, which is considered as evidence that matter can be converted into energy. On the other hand, under favorable conditions, a high-energy photon can create a particle-antiparticle pair. This phenomenon is called pair production. This is believed today to be evidence for the conversion of energy into matter. Nevertheless, my research suggests that mass defects are converted into an ultrafine form of matter called ether, and this explosion of matter imparts an enormous amount of kinetic energy to the products. The impact of these products on surrounding matter results in the generation of heat and light. On the other hand, when a high-energy photon passes through a high-density ether region, the ether is converted into ordinary matter, such as electron-positron pairs. Based on my studies, the nucleus of an atom has a dense region of ether surrounding it. As the atomic number increases, the ether density also increases. For a heavy atomic nucleus, this density is sufficient to produce an electron-positron pair when a high-energy photon passes through it. An extremely strong electric or magnetic field can also create a dense region of ether, which may help produce particle and antiparticle pairs under favorable conditions. Mass defects are a common occurrence throughout the universe. Active stars, supernova explosions, neutron star collisions, black hole mergers, and other events create mass defects on a large scale. These mass defects are converted into ether, which fills space. This has a significant impact on our understanding of the universe and how it functions. In essence, by simply incorporating the space-filling ether into the picture, we can find better alternative explanations for all phenomena explained or predicted by the theory of relativity.